Hello everybody, this is Grandpa Rails doing a little short mail call. I got this package was sent to me from my brother Roy, Mr. Hardwick, Container Man 68. I have no idea what's in it. This is the second package of two. This one was sent after the first one. I'm still waiting on the first one. Not sure what they're doing with it in LA, but if it's anything like what Joe got, it's going to be a nice box of stuff. So maybe they're just playing with all the toys. I don't know. Putting all the kit together or whatever. So anyway, let's see. I need a box. Put this in.
Yeah, that's good stuff.
Let's see, Dodge something on here. What do we got on here? Oh, sweet. You see that? That is an Oxford model. It is a blue Charger Daytona 69.
5719 conductor will be in between. I'm gonna tie these down.
Yeah. You could almost call that petty blue, couldn't you? Wow, Roy. Thank you so much. It was totally unexpected. All right, everybody. We'll see you later, and hopefully someday soon I'll get that other package and we'll do another mail call. All right. Take care.